Hi guys, I am going to present the project 3, sprint 3 from Triple Ten. Uh, this is going to be a brief overview of the project and the technology and different part of the project. Um, this is the header, and this is the main page with which has the profile section and the card section, and this is the footer. Um, we use like CSS flexbox to position the whole profile section, but we use CSS grid to position the profile info, which are the profile title, the description, and the edit button. And we use also CSS grid to position the different cards because uh, it's easier to repeat the cards, to view and the cards in different images, to view the cards in different devices, and also to control the cards because when CSS Grid, when we move from desktop to to mobile size, we have like less, not too much cards to write from when we move from desktop to mobile. So in fact, let's see the project in mobile size. That's the project on the mobile size. So if we try to use that one, and also this is the project. If we use other devices, we use new devices, we use new pieces, but yeah. So this is the project from different devices. So let us um show the project in codes like HTML and CSS. As I said, we have the project section. It's like the header section, which has the image and and a bar, also hostel bar, and we have the main section, which has the preferred section and the codes, and also we have the codes in the section. So we use the different blocks of the projects. We use normalized CSS to like override the the default the default preset thing some of the elements of the browsers. So we use CSS, we use normalized CSS to override these preset elements, and also we have like the different like project section of the project, which we can say that we use the semantic aspect. We have the header, the main, and the footer, and we use also the BEM uh, modifier to to name the different elements of the to be able to style the different element of the project. As we have for the profile, we have profile image, we have profile info, we have profile add button, and for the cards, and we have the same card list, card image, stuff like that. In fact, this is the project. We want we have some difficulties to to do the project, and one of them was like we had to overcome a horizontal bar, which was very difficult for us to maintain to solve. And at the end, we realized that this was an image in the header that caused the school postal bar. So we managed to take it away, and and that's it.